Hi y'all, welcome to Majestic Unicorn Dreams. Majestic Misty right here. So glad you're here. First time? Awesome. Hopefully you stick around, give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. And Sony is not happy because I am not happy because he ate some Mucinex and got really sick. And I came home to a mess. So he's now barking on the other side of the door because I don't want to see his cute little face. He's in the doghouse. But anyway, here we are with Meundies. I will post the link down below if you want to try them. I have to say, their pajama pants are amazing. Their sweatshirts suck. And their undies are just super amazingly soft. I've been getting this subscription for a while now, and it is one that I will not be stopping anytime soon. For men, you can get briefs and boxers and I don't know what else, honestly, because I'm not a man. But for women, you can get boy shorts, which are the full shorts, which I feel like boy shorts, sorry, and I'm not editing, so there you go. Boy shorts, which I have, which feel like just regular shorts. They're like that kind of length. Then you have, I think, brief. You have two kinds of thongs. And then you have the cheeky booty, which the cheeky booty is what I do. It's just when like I've said, your little booty cheeks hang out, but without the wedgie effect. So no wedgie, but QT. You see? That's how that works. All right. I never go, whew, here are my underwear. We're just going to go, ooh, look at the little pretty pattern. Not that my underwear would be like, whew, anyway. Like I'm making them sound like they'd be parachutes. They wouldn't. They're not. But let's see what cute pattern. Like seriously, you guys think I open things? I didn't even open this right. Nope. Need scissors. This should be like the simplest thing on the planet to open, you would think. Not for me. Is there a card? There's not a card this time, so it is just a matter of... Now, these feel different. What kind of texture is these? These are not the normal feeling ones. These are... I don't know. These feel different, but they're very cute. I will give them a chance. They have... fireworks all over them. Orange and purple and yellow and pink. Yeah, so those are the main colors, orange, yellow, purple, and pink. And they feel very different than their normal ones. So I don't know. These are like more spandexy than cottony. So these, I don't know. We'll give them a try. Meundies, don't go changing on me now. Like even see the pattern and like see when you pull it, you can like see that's weird. Their stuff normally doesn't do that. Woo! I can see through it. Yeah, their stuff normally doesn't do that. This is a new texture. No, Meundies. Please don't lose me. I actually really like you. I will leave Meundies linked below, and I will leave my little code link below. You can certainly go on, check them out, order a pair, see if you like them. I don't know if I like these feeling ones or not. I would order like a normal pair of cotton ones. But like I said, you can get two different styles of thongs, cheeky booties, boy shorts, briefs. They have like a few different styles. Definitely go on and check them out. Those three little things every time. Three. Thumb. You know, go ahead, smash it. Upwards though, up thumb. Up thumb? Yeah, that made a lot of sense. Thumbs up. See, these are the things I would normally edit out. I'm not going to, because this is just going to go right up. It is. So thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. You know, I think I might have had a booger, so if I did, I'm sorry. Because you got a close-up of it. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe. And become a Majestic Unicorn family member with me. I love each and every one of you. And I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.